Want to clean up your ERPNext environment? Removing an app you no longer need is easier than you think. Start by opening your browser and navigating to flaploud.com. Click the login button and enter your credentials to access your ERPNext dashboard. From the dashboard, open your site dashboard where you'll see a visual layout of your environment. Next, head to the left sidebar and click on Installed Apps. This will show a list of all apps currently active in your ERPNext instance. Browse the list to find the app you want to remove. Examples could be HRMS or education, depending on what you've installed. Once you've located it, look to the right side of the app's name. You'll see a trash icon or a remove button. Click it to begin the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to double check that you're removing the correct app. Confirm, and the app will be uninstalled from your ERPNext environment. And that's it. Regularly reviewing and removing unused apps keeps your system clean, efficient, and optimized. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quick ERPNext tips and tutorials.